In this video, I'm going to talk about some tools that can help you write your Pinterest titles and descriptions. It's really important when you put your keywords in your titles and your descriptions that they go in a way that people would say them. It just means that when people search for a particular thing, they're more likely to come across your keyword phrases. I'm going to show you two tools that are free that can help you write your titles and descriptions. The first tool is called Keywords Everywhere and it's totally free, so go and add that to your browser. Once you've added that to your browser, log into ChatGPT. I've got the free version, and then you click on templates, and then it's going to bring up this box, and you can say your social media, Pinterest, generate pin description, you put in your topic, your keywords, and then you run this. Once it's run, it's going to give you a few options, then you can choose which one you feel best suits your pin, and then rewrite it however you want if you need to. If you found this video useful, please give it a like as it will really help out, and subscribe to my channel if you want to know about any more tips and tricks.